Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidvey. Guys, as you can see inside this particular video there, we are on a massive profit. So I want to show you guys on how I take this particular this trade. So guys, I want to show you the reason why this indicator is one of the best indicator to have. So as you can see now, in this our channel, we used to drop daily update on boom and crash index and step index. So if you are joining us for the first time, do well to subscribe and also like our video so that you will be seeing more update of more related video of this particular video. So at this particular time, as you can see, we are on boom 500 on 5 minute time frames, and we can see that this is the indicator that we install on it. And I told you guys that this indicator does not reprint. Once it appears on this particular chart, it stay permanently on this particular chart. So we have the second indicator, which I also we install. You can see this is the second indicator on the chart, and you can see what the trade is currently do on that particular dot. And also we have it also set it up on our boom 300, and you can see what the market is telling us, guys. But I want to show you how I take this particular boom 500 with this our powerful indicator. So as you can see here, we can see that our arrow appear at this particular trend, that we have a downtrend and we go on a massive. But I see this particular, I saw this particular trade late, so I enter this particular area, but the arrow have already indicate to me that we have a sell entry at this particular area, and you can see this is a massive downtrend, so perfect and accurate, guys. And I opened this lot size with the lowest lot size, which is 0.2. Just imagine that I open it with 0.5. This will have doubled my profits on this particular indicator. And you can see we have another one here which does not go along with the trend, but it's go little bit before we have another strong move at this particular. Just imagine that you enter for your buy opportunity here, and let's say immediately you saw this particular trend again, then you close it. Let's say you close it from loss. Let's say it's going to be somewhere around $1 to $2 loss at this particular area if you leave this particular uptrend up to this particular area. And you can see what the massive trend have what. Once it appear again, then you close this, then you open for the next opportunity signal that you see here, and you can see that it go on a massive downtrend. Up to now, we're still having the downtrend continuation. So I'm not going to closing this trade until I have another strong move for uptrend, or I decided to close it if I have enough profit for the day. I can decide to close it. So this is a live trading account. So you can see we have another opportunity at this particular area, and you can see what the market did. The market moved back to back and give us a perfect trend that we need in the market to move. And we also have another one here. You can see what happened here in the trade, that they give us a signal at this particular area that we have a trend here, and we can see what the market did. The market go on a massive uptrend. You can see up to this particular area. So I can decide to close my profit at any level at this particular area before I see this particular red. I see another signal for downtrend, and I might decide to wait till I see this particular signal before I close this particular trend. You can see we have another one here. You can see another one here. This is another perfect accuracy again that give us a downtrend at this particular area, and you can see that our trade go on a massive downtrend up to this particular moment. So we have another one here, and I told you guys this indicator is very wonderful. It's very perfect, guys. It's very perfect. You can see how perfect this indicator is. You can see how accurate it is. It has helped me a lot, guys. This is one of the best indicators that can help you to achieve your goal in this 2026. All what you need to do is to join our Telegram group, and you can also DM me, and I will respond to you, guys. I will respond to you. I'm always 100% active to respond to my people. So all what you need to do is to reach out to me, and I will respond to you guys. So as we can see, let's check this update on our boom 150 time frames, and let's see what the outcome is at this particular area on our boom 150 on 5 minutes time frames. Let's see if we are going to see check that. Let's see that currently now we can see that we have our trend that move give us a downtrend around this area, and we go on a massive downtrend up to now. You can see that is very perfect. Let's say that, okay, let's say we start our entry around this area. Let's say we start our entry around this area. When you enter for your sell entry here and you discover that this trade is not going towards my own favor, then you might decide to close your entry when this particular uptrend. So the difference between here and here is going to be somewhere around $2 to $3. So that is the risk that you are going to be risking the trade. You are not going to be risking much because the risk level of this particular indicator is very slow. It's very short. So you can see at this particular level it traces back to this level, and we can see that we have our uptrend at this particular area. You can see we have an uptrend at this particular area, and we have another one here that show an uptrend. So let's say you close this to like $3 loss, and you enter for another buy zone at this particular area. You will have made times 20 of that particular amount. It has been so massive, guys. And up to this particular area, you have another signal here that appears that you have a downtrend, but the downtrend does not come. And also again, you can see you open the downtrend, and let's say you close the sell entry at this particular area. When you discover that you have another signal, and you enter another one here, you enter it, and you have another signal here. Let's say the loss that you take between here to here is like, say somewhere around $2 or so. Like from this also to this particular area, let's say they take only few cents, because your entry level will be around here and your close entry will be around this area. Let's say few cents. Now you enter for this particular sell entry. You can see that you will have make a lot of profit with this particular indicator. So this indicator is very powerful, and it has helped a lot of people to achieve their goal on every daily basis. So this indicator is one of the best indicators that you can have to support your trading ability every single day. So guys, to get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do, as you can see, this is a live account that we are making daily. We can making profits though. People do request that we should show them a live proof account. This is an example of what is working, guys. So thanks, guys. See you guys in our next video. And don't forget, if you are not subscribed to our channel, try to subscribe. And also you can reach out to us on our Telegram group, or you can message me directly and I will respond to you. Thanks, guys. See you guys in our next video.